this video we will see that how to make new user snippet in VS Code. So first of all, we open the VS Code, and here is setting. So go in setting, configure user snippets, and if you want to make new snippet, then click on the new global snippet file, right? And you have to type snippet name. So I am writing first of db2, right? And so in this file you have to uncomment this, right? So, and you can, in prefix you can write the file name db if you want tab trigger, and here in the body you can write snippet, right? Like if I want to include IO stream, and then if I want to add new line, so that I have to put a comma and integer main, so, and then in here if you want to some print, then cout here, right? So it will give error, so that you cannot use comma here, so you simply put an slash here, then error will be gone, and then save it, right? And just open your folder. So here if you write this file, it simply write db2 and this snippet will be ready. Hash will be there, right? If you want to change the snippet, then go to that file, and so that's done. We're done. That's it. And also you can also give a cursor to that. If I want to cursor here, then simply put $1 means cursor, first cursor will be here, and if you want to second cursor here, then $2 here, right? That's it. Save it, and db2, right? So here it is saved, right? So that's how you can create a user snippet. Thank you.